Okay, so far I want to just tell you what you've been given. Number one's a hyperbola. Number two is a parabola. And number three is an equation of a circle. These are all conic sections, sections of a cone. So I'm going to go do number three. And let me just get to number three. That's x squared plus y squared equals 4. That's right here. I'll write this down for you. Again, if you've been studying circles, that's fine. If you haven't been studying circles, that's also fine. But the deal about this one, it's a little more difficult. All right, what I mean by that, if you were to look at this and you had no idea what you were looking at and you want to plot points, my claim over here is there are some points that are easy to deal with. For example, if you chose x to be 0, what would y be? Plus or minus 2. Very simple. So if x is 0, you get plus or minus 2. Now someone says, what's another easy value to pick? I would say pick 0 for y. What do you get there? Plus or minus 2. Now I got to be honest with you, this is probably the limit of what most people consider to be the easy points over here. But what I want to claim over here is that you could take other points if you want to. For example, let's say you want to take the value 1, right, for x. What would that give you? Well, if you plug it in, you'd get y squared is equal to 3. That's if x is equal to 1. What's y? It's plus or minus the root of 3. Now, granted, kind of a nasty number, but you get a point here, and you get a point over here. All right? Now, again, you're free to use calculators, not a problem. If you use minus 1, what would you get? Plus or minus root 3. Let's put that in. You get the idea. Now, let's say you chose y to be 1. Well, I hope you see some symmetry about the problem. If you chose y to be 1, what would you get for x? Plus or minus root 3. All right, let's put that one down. And again, the y is 1. You get plus or minus root 3. All right? Now, let's say you chose, minus 1 for y. What do you get for x? Plus or minus root 3. I think you get the idea that over time you could keep plotting points over here. And again, I'm not saying they're the easiest things to plot, but how many points have we plot so far? Well, let's see. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 points. I got a feel for it, though. And the feel is, and again, you might say, gee, you're just tracing over your curve over here. But I'll be honest with you, even if you didn't have the curve there, I think you got a generalized feel. And I'm not saying you'd be perfect at it. All I'm saying is you got a generalized pattern to this, all right? And again, this is the equation of a circle. This circle is centered at the origin. This is the origin and has radius 2, all right? Thank you.